We don't work 8 to 5.
Yes, why don't you tell me what the problem is?
Customers can contact us 24 hours a day. They want to be able to turn on the tap and get water. They want to be able to flush their toilets and see stuff go away. So that's what we're here to do. We have a professional staff of engineers, licensed operators, and field crews, some of whom have more than 30 years experience in our industry. The utility was not always owned by the city. It started out as a privately owned company, and the county ran the utility then until 1994. And at that time, our council and our city manager realized that if the city was ever going to realize its potential, it could not continue to grow and develop if people had to rely on private wells and private septic systems. For the health of the city, for the health of the environment, it was the council's determination that they needed to have the utility. We have a large building, in fact it's 26,000 square feet, that is used to store and inventory parts and materials that we need to do our business. Having our own warehouse and our own inventory of parts and materials is certainly a cost savings to the utility. In 2005, our laboratory, which is on site, became certified by the National Environmental Laboratory Accreditation Conference. Prior to becoming NELAC certified, we did have to hire commercial laboratories to do a lot of our testing. Being able to do the test in-house saves money, saves time, and again relates back to saving money for our customers. Another important feature of the technology that we rely on daily is our digital mapping system. Our field crews had to rely on rolls of plans, paper plans. So we now have digital mapping system, and our crews are connected to it through laptop computers. And when they're in the field, they can pull up a particular neighborhood and see exactly where a valve is, where the next hydrant is, if they need to maintain the hydrant. We know that this city's future is going to depend on its ability to continue providing safe and quality drinking water. We cannot continue to allow contaminants, such as waste from septic systems, to enter the groundwater tables. We cannot allow continued potential contamination to the river. So we are always looking at ways to be able to assure that this city has sufficient drinking water now and for generations to come.